Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Joey.
Hello there.
We are at his house because we filmed a video over on your channel where we made gourmet what?
Snickers.
Oh, no.
We say gourmet, they're more like homemade Snickers, but they turned out, well, I won't tell you how they turned out. But,
I like to call them limited edition Snickers.
And fancy
Yeah,
Snickers.
so I will put a link down below to go watch that video. Most of you know Joey. We've done a bunch of videos together, but if you are new to the channel, I'm gonna be putting his links down below. So go show him some love, go subscribe. We are gonna make some fun holiday content today.
I'm so excited. Honestly, I didn't even know these gingerbread houses existed, so this is all new and very exciting to me.
Every year I decorate like a traditional gingerbread house.
Absolutely.
And I was at the store and I saw these. I have never seen ones like this before.
Is this the first year that they've come out?
I think so. This is so cool. So today we're gonna try to build these different gingerbread houses. Joey, what do you got? We'll start on that end.
I got My Little Pony.
What?
Yes.
Look at this. This is a volcano gingerbread house.
That's crazy.
Never seen this.
I love this one.
And this one is the Grinch.
It's 2 floors as well. A 2-story house.
A double decker, never seen it. I also brought some extra like little candies and frostings for pizzazz. Some of them are little row baking line, but some of them are just like little sprinkles and cute bows and stuff. It was so embarrassing.
Why?
We were at Michael's and we were buying a few of our own items.
No.
And the gal at the store goes, "Wait, isn't this you?" And I was like,
oh my god, that's so funny.
Yes. And she was like, and I know the company can just send me some, but we were just happened to be
That
there,
is
so we
so
grabbed
funny.
them. She caught me getting
That's
high on my
such a
own
cool-
supply. Let's open these up and
Okay.
build some of these houses.
Wait, is there like a challenge to this? Are we like competing?
The challenge is just to get it done.
Okay.
Because this looks really complicated. I've never made a double-story house.
So this one basically is marketed as a My Little Pony one because they include one little gummy My Little Pony. The house is the same as any other traditional gingerbread house. So, and they have the same candy.
It only comes with one pony, and that's Pinkie Pie. She's the party animal.
Is she?
Yeah, she throws all the
Pinkie
parties.
Pie.
Pinkie Pie throws all the parties.
Well, I feel like this one's basic, so I want to do a different one.
Okay, let's do these two then.
Okay. We'll just take her over to a different.
Here, I'll give you the volcano.
Yes.
And I'm gonna do this double decker over
Perfect.
here.
Thank you. Well, oh my god, we'll sacrifice My Little Pony in the volcano.
Perfect.
Yes.
The back of this box is you cut out the dinosaurs.
No, you do not.
You have to show them. You have to show them. Look at
That is so misleading. Oh. You want to cut these out?
I really
you go
do.
for it, because I don't want to cut those out.
I'm supposed to start on my box.
Will
but...
also be sacrificed in the volcano.
And this cardboard doesn't cut very well. I really love these trays because they're like a little moat.
You love these trays?
I do.
They're your favorite thing in the whole world?
They are my favorite thing in the whole world.
What are they called?
They're like build trays.
Build trays.
And here, I'm gonna put this little raptor here. Oh my gosh, Joey.
What?
Mine's not a full house.
What do you mean?
It's only half of a house. It's like open in the back, so maybe you can play with it. But like, how's it gonna stand up? It only has 3 sides.
Girl, that was trickery. Trickery dickory
This is
dock.
only 3/4 of a house.
I'm already on the final piece of this
How do I
volcano.
do this fast? Oh, I need to hurry.
Let's
Okay.
connect the dots.
Cindy Lou.
It's a lava sticker. Do I have to lick it?
Wait, let me taste it. Is it? Oh yeah, it's edible frosting.
Oh,
It's
cool.
like it's like edible sheet paper. They make it out of like an edible frosting.
There's a little bit of frosting coming down the volcano.
You've already built yours, and I only have this one dog built. Where there's only 2 pieces.
Oh yeah, you break that in half.
Okay, you hold this.
Oh, you're gonna
And
chop
I'm
through
gonna
it?
chop it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Oh no!
It worked, but like, oh my god, it's fine.
Okay.
Do you have to microwave this? Because this is hard as a rock.
I don't think so.
And
No.
the piping
Here,
bag.
use the one from My Little Pony. Okay, so I have a bunch of rocks that I can break out of this. Are you gonna use any of your orange gumdrops?
Nope.
Yes.
They're all yours.
You only had 2 in here, but those 2
Only 2?
are all I need.
Is there any colors that I can just have one to eat?
Yeah, you can have the purple.
Chimney on.
Wow. Okay, so that looks actually really cool. I cannot wait to sacrifice My Little Pony. She's going to love it. Yeah. Oh, it's lavaing. Look at that.
That looks so good. A little Who house in Whoville. My sister, her middle name is Lou. So I call her Molly Lou Who.
Oh.
How do you make the chimney? If I don't make the chimney, Santa can't.
The chimney definitely is paper, so.
How do you? Perfect. Okay.
Oh, I can make it glitter
We need to
lava.
make my little characters. We need the Grinch. We need Cindy Lou Who.
Cute.
Lots
Okay.
of lava. It
I
looks
think.
really pretty lava. It looks like our Santa hats.
Yeah, it does.
It looks just like our Santa hats.
All right, I'm gonna get some of these dinos down here at the bottom.
Which one aren't you using?
The green one. Yummy? No?
I like don't know what flavor it is.
Oh, girl, you need some help. Oh, me, oh my. Yep, that's.
And not just any snow. We need a lot of snow.
Let's make some icicles. So you go like this, and
Okay.
then you pull out,
I like that.
and then.
Yeah. Perfect. Quick, we need shrubbery.
We need more color on this. How about we put some of these lights on top?
Oh, Joey, can I have a dinosaur?
Yes, you can.
I'm gonna put him underneath the tree. Oh my, holly, hello? Holly and mistletoe.
Oh, yeah. Oh, put that around the door.
So if people stand underneath the doorway,
Yes.
they'll have to make out.
Mm-hmm.
Around.
Oh my gosh, we need to set up Pony the Ponita
Oh,
and
yes,
one
yes,
of the dinosaurs.
Okay.
She looks the green, man.
She's a boyfriend.
Just looking for a man. Anyone know where I can find one? Yo, what up, girl?
I'm throwing a party at the volcano.
Green Gummy. Can I take you on a date?
Sure. Where are we going?
Come to my place. Come on inside.
Oh my god, your house is so... What's the word? Ugly!
Come on in here.
Oh, look up! Oh!
Oh.
Smooches, smooches!
Is that mistletoe?
Yeah.
Time for a kiss.
Yes! Okay. I like that he's just floating because he's so short
I
like
know.
me.
He has to jump up. Actually, I have to go.
Oh my god, I just got this emergency text. I have to leave.
Shall we have the sacrifice?
Let's do it.
Okay.
I've been waiting all night for this.
Is she okay with this sacrifice?
I feel like she's really okay with it at this point. She had a really bad date and she's just like, just screw it. I'm giving you this volcano.
Okay. Wow, what's up here?
Oh, what's up here? Oh, this is really deep. I better look in there. Oh no!
Oh my god!
Wow, look at the view. Oh no! All right, Joey, let's show off these houses.
Okay.
Because we have completed both of them. Let me
sure
move these.
have.
Ta-da! Here are the 2 gingerbread houses that we made. Joey with this volcano. I love everything about it. Please give us a tour, spin it around, show this off.
Okay.
What do we have here?
We have a gorgeous volcano with lava spurring out of it because it just recently had a very cute sacrifice. That's about it.
Oh no, what about your raptor?
Oh no, not the raptor. Where's my cardboard raptor? Oh my gosh. Oh, I found
You
him.
lost. Okay, thank goodness. I worked
Okay.
really hard on that, Joey, so I'm really glad you included it.
You know what?
because-
He's actually gonna go up here. Oh no!
No!
Oh, what's happening?
No.
Oh.
He's in there, don't worry.
Well-
Him and Pinkie Pie might be making out in there.
Oh, let's get some mistletoe in there.
Oh yeah, throw some mistletoe in there
So,
and
in
we
the
may have a
end-
match.
She found her one true love.
I love it. It's like a Christmas Hallmark movie.
Hey,
A happy
what's
ending.
going on in there?
Oh, he's jealous.
Oh, he went in there.
Oh, over here we have the Grinch's house. And we've got some really good decor on the outside of the house. We have lights. We have Nerdy Nummy's windows. We have little smart cookie windows. There's shrubbery. And then when you come inside, it's an open house, so you can play in here like a little dollhouse. We have the Grinch. I glued on a little 8-bit heart sprinkle to him because his heart got bigger around the holidays, and his little dog. And we also put a little gummy dino in there. Oh, I almost forgot the holly and mistletoe on the door.
Oh, how could you forget?
Very classic holiday decoration.
Oh, and the chimney is just high quality.
Two chimneys for the price of one. You can you get two of them. So if Santa comes to visit this house, you'll be getting double the presents. Wow. That was the thoughts going into this design right here. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed our gingerbread houses. Joey, thank you so much for doing this with me.
Thank you.
I had so much fun, and we made the biggest mess in your kitchen, so thank you for letting me do this.
Absolutely.
Joey is the best. Again, I'm going to be putting his links down below, so go check him out, go show him some love, give him the thumbs up, subscribe, all of that, because he's amazing.
Oh, thank you.
Also, go check out our video over on Joey's channel, where we'll be baking. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.
Bye.